The Food Science Foodie.
What is up, Food Science Foodies? It's good to see you today. If you haven't already, check out the YouTube channel. And I have got a story for you today. So, you would not believe what happened. I can't make this up, right? So, this morning, I get to work and I get this text message from my roommate. And he's like, dude, I'm so sorry. I had to clean the intros of your spaghetti sauce out of the fridge and throw it out. And my first reaction is like, no, right? Because he said my spaghetti sauce exploded. And so basically, what happened was I had made spaghetti sauce the night before, and I was going to, just use that sauce and make spaghetti throughout the week. So what happens is I get this text. I'm like, no, my spaghetti sauce is gone. My dinner's gone. Well, come to find out, my next thought is, wait a second. My spaghetti sauce exploded. What is growing in my spaghetti sauce? Like, if something is producing gas, there's something in there that's got to be like, ferment and doing a little some kind of action. So I'm just like, hold up, what's going on? So then I thought about it and I realized, so a little background, I've got a sensitive stomach, let's say. So when I was tasting the sauce, I was like, oh, this is acidic, let me add a little bit of baking soda. So I threw some baking soda in there, because baking soda is a base which will neutralize acid, so it won't be as hard on the stomach. So I put a little bit of that in there. It's fizzling, whatever. I mix it up. It's sitting out on the stove, it's warm. I eat my spaghetti, and then later, after it cools a little bit, I put it away. Don't think anything of it. Haven't touched it for what has been about 3 days, and now this explosion. So guys, what happened? This is classic chemistry right here, okay? This is an acid and a base, and we mix them together, we get some gas production. And I'm gonna show you exactly what happened, because I've got the evidence. And this shook me, right? Because look, this was me. What happened is the actual container itself ruptured. So, I don't know what that says. Either that was some strong gas or this is a weak container. But anyway, the lesson here is if you mix acids and bases, and even if you let them sit for a little while, there might still be gas production. Even in a refrigerator where it's cold and this is going to happen slower, you know, clearly, we still have chemical reactions happening. So, so if you add baking soda to your spaghetti sauce, just give it some time. You know, open it up if you haven't opened it for a couple days. Open it up, check on it, let it breathe. Don't wait as long to make spaghetti like I did. But all right. So there you have it. Some basic chemistry, acid and base. That's just like baking soda and vinegar in the school experiment volcano, right? So there you have it. 101 chemistry, acid and bases. 101 real life. um, all right, that's it for tonight. Have a good night. Food Science Foodie out.
The Food Science Foodie.